strawberries grow around us all, say, and many's the ship sails the ocean. The bright and bright party to church they did go. The bride she rode foremost, she bears the best show. And I followed after with my heart full of woe, to see my love wed to another. The first place I saw her, 'twas on the church stand, gold rings on her fingers and a love by the hand. Said I, my wee lassie, I will be your man, although you are wed to another. The next place I saw her, 'twas on the way home. I ran on before her, not knowing where to roam. Said I, my wee lassie, I will be by your side, although you are wed to another. Stop, stop, says the groomsman, till I speak a word. Will you venture your life on the top of my sword? For courting so slowly, you have lost this fair maid. So be gone, for you'll never enjoy her. So make now my grave both wide, large, and deep, and sprinkle it over with flowers so sweet, and lay me down in it to take my last sleep. For that's the best way to forget her.